Gosia at Home Cooking. Today is a big day. Today I have 1,000 subscribers in 4 months. That's amazing. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for great, beautiful comments. I enjoy my cooking channel a lot. This is my passion and I like to share this with you guys. Thank you so much and let's go celebrate. I'll make a wish right now. Ooh, 1,000! See you later! Tak jest finałowy etap, jak wyglądają kiełbaski. Przepięknie. Kompocik jest gotowy to serve. Tak więc lasagna już jest gotowa. The stuffed cabbage is ready. Meat patty are ready to serve. The fried red beets are ready. Można trzymać biały ser do. The chicken is ready. The miso dessert is finished. If you like my video. Day 4. The pickles is beautiful. The sponge cake is ready. Have to mix it. And the cake is ready. Looks like this. The fried cabbage and carrot is ready. The meatloaf is ready. I cooked boiling peanuts for 2 hours. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and my blueberry mousse looks like this. Thank you for watching. And this is my proposition for dinner. If you like this video. And this is my proposition for the favorki done. The jalapeno is done. The swai fillet is finished. And the Polish coleslaw is finished. Thank you for watching. The sweet red twister. This is my proposition for burrito casserole. Spanish rice is done. Peach shortbread bars is done. And the cucumber salad pizzeria is done. The stuffed salmon is done. Pad thai, my way. A Polish plum cake is done. Roast pork with the prawns is done. Vegetable and sausage lecho is done. Rhubarb rolls are done. Sweet potato curry with shrimps is done. Green beans, satay green beans and carrot is done. Pumpkin pancakes ready. Ice.